How to connect Printify to Shopify. So first, you need to open your Shopify admin page and your Printify account. Now once that's done, just go to your Printify homepage and then click on the My New Store. Then click on Manage My Stores. Then click on Connect Here. Then look for Shopify and click on it. Now what we're going to do is we need to add our store URL here. So for that, go to your Shopify, click on your settings, and click on domains. Now this is your Shopify domain. Click on it and click on this one, highlight it, and just copy it. After copying it, just paste it here and just click on connect. Then just click on install. Just wait for it to load. Okay. Okay, now your Printify and Shopify are now connected. And that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.